A stack of solutions. It's myOrganized.life live, January 23rd, 2020.
Yeah.
A stack? Are we going to be here
stack.
all day?
No, that's just a play on words.
That is a play on words on
Yep.
this show that is basically a play on everything.
Yep.
myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Thursdays, solve your problems.
Yes, we do.
What is our problem here?
Today, our problem is, let's see. We've got a project. It's divided into sections.
Yeah.
We want some security.
And it's laying all over the desk.
And it's laying all over the desk. We need to be able to transport it.
Yes.
We've got your solution.
And we need to, it's got to be something that doesn't take up a lot of room.
Well,
What do you got for us?
I have.
How about a slide?
Sure, let's put the slide up.
All right.
It is the Poly Stack It Organizer 87005. This is a pack of 2.
2.
And look at this.
I love the
So,
way that one looks.
Isn't it like super cool? You could match. I mean,
I
you're
am
in all
wearing
black.
today.
You are
This
Johnny
was
Cash.
Not planned because we don't plan anything.
No, we don't. But
yeah, look
look
at
at that.
this.
It's cool. It's got this nice
Well,
little
you know,
print.
if you really look at, we can't
Yeah.
show this detail. There's like 3D
like
like
cubes.
little cubes on
Yeah,
there.
it's really neat.
Wow. You could just spend your day looking at this.
It's like one of those magic eyes from when you were
Yeah.
little. Woo.
Fun.
So
What is
anyway,
this? What is in this
so
thing?
it's a folder. It's got 3 sections.
Well, one thing you
1,
should mention, though,
2, 3. What?
because you said the word, this is part of the organized up
Organized
line,
up. And what does
which
organized up mean?
means- That means we organize in the direction that we actually read.
Right.
So the 8.5 by 11 is portrait. It's a
Yes.
portrait
So
mode.
if you would take,
organizing
let's see,
solution.
this, which is a scrap that I found in the recycling bin.
That looks like
It
a
reads,
proof of
it
one
is
of
a
our
proof. We
newsletters.
won't say that out loud.
Okay.
Our main fan
Ooh.
was working on this yesterday, so I know who put it in there.
Ooh.
You read it like this. It gets filed like
Nice.
that.
And
Look
so
at that.
Look at that. It's nice. And if you just say you wanted to open it up and just read like the headline, you
Oh,
wouldn't
right
even
there.
need to take it out,
Oh,
would
and
you?
and you wouldn't need to
Yeah.
turn it. It's just
And I
right there.
noticed too there are little tabs here.
There are
to help
tabs. You can label
you
your
can label that if you
sections.
want it.
Yep. So there's 1, 2, 3, like I said, and the cool thing, it tucks. The flap tucks in. So how I said
That is
before,
cool.
it's secure.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You're not going to drop those.
You're not
going to
drop those papers out.
Awesome.
And it's poly, so it's
looks-
durable.
It
It's
kinda looks
water
impressive,
resistant.
too. Like,
Definitely.
You know, like I got a lot of power.
I've got power. I'm carrying this Stack It Organizer. Don't mess with me.
You have the company newsletter in your organizer.
In my hands. It's
must
just
be-
a proof.
You must be really important.
I am important.
That's right.
And then let's see, I have this spreadsheet.
Ooh, a spreadsheet. That makes it
That's
even
full
more
of
important.
really high class or high classified information.
Classified. Very
So
cool.
we'll put-
can't show that on the screen.
No,
Give
we-
away
but we
way
will-
Too many of our trade
Yeah,
secrets.
but we'll put it in the second pocket. Look at that.
so
And then I still have room for the third, which I'll just throw this packaging cell sheet right back there so I remember
So not
what
only
this
do
is.
You have something that looks great, makes you look smart.
Yeah, because I am smart.
You
It's
are
just,
smart. You are organizing 3 different projects at
right,
once.
I know. It's a great solution.
Wow.
And I could carry it with me. I could bring it in the
could.
car. Nothing's going to fall out.
Or
If
if
I get caught in the rain,
Yeah, and like we were saying earlier,
Or the
if
snow
your
in our
current
case.
project is all over your desk, you can just
yep,
stack it right up.
yep, you could.
Looks nice. Okay, so I
Isn't that
think we
pretty
should
cool?
probably open it up and put the
Yes,
slide
let's
up again.
put the slide back up. It is 87005. Poly Stack It Organizer. And this, we're just showing you black. There's also a blue one.
Yes, there's a couple colors.
And,
One thing I would wonder is where could you get this?
oh, let me think.
Let me think. I'm just trying to be inspired.
I don't
a
know.
little bit.
I don't know. Oh, look at that. It's the wood sign.
myOrganized.life.
What are the chances?
What are the chances that
I
we
know.
would run into a place that would actually sell these?
I don't know. Chances are pretty good
Chances
since it's
are-
our show.
Yes, it is our show. Okay. Well, okay, we're having a little fun
Yes,
on Thursday,
of
right? You know,
course.
tomorrow is Friday, it's your favorite show. And
Yep,
mine.
and yours.
Yep, Blogger Roundup.
Yep.
And yeah, so there should be some good blogs. Are there? Or have
There
you had
will
a
be.
chance to look?
There will be. That's
Okay.
all I will say.
It's a good time of year because people are really into organizing.
They
right
are. Oh my gosh, I was just thinking about all of the podcasts that we've been recording
now. Yes.
on the goal setting.
Oh
and
yeah, I know.
It's like we're going to be talking about goal setting through March.
I know. It's
But,
gonna be
you know,
good.
it's okay.
Speaking of goal setting, so
Okay.
we had.
Where are you going
part-
with this?
Well, we had part
Oh,
one.
Part one,
yesterday
yes, of
Ellen DeLapp.
Great podcast.
Goal setting for ADHD
Tell me in the
people.
comments what you think of that cover
Yeah.
photo, because I was getting some grief about it.
Yeah. It's a little esoteric.
It's not brain exploding like you thought. If you
Yeah.
look close, it's birds flying out of a brain.
It's
Like
great
all these
ideas.
ideas. That was
Yes.
my
Okay.
my idea
Let
behind
us
it.
know what you think of that cover photo. Yeah.
Because if we get too many complaints, I can change it.
Yes, but we do have part 2 of that podcast next week too,
Yeah.
which is good because we recorded it. I know there's some really cool stuff next week. We're going to be talking a lot about words of the year.
Yep.
And
Look at this. It's almost the end of January. We're still talking about the words of the year.
I know, but
That's
people
okay.
are still talking about that. It's a
I
big
know they
deal.
are. It is. It is.
It's even bigger this year than normal.
I think so. Yep.
So, okay, well, there you go. Tomorrow, Blogger Roundup. Come back here. It is 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. myOrganized.life live.
Get organized now at myOrganized.life. Need to turn those piles into files? We've got you covered. Hundreds of organizing products in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. There's an organizing solution for you. Shop online and they're delivered right to your office. Get organized now. Go to myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. Get organized now at myOrganized.life.